Hi. In this tutorial we will take a step-by-step guide to deploy a Node.js application to Heroku platform. Node.js is an open-source server environment, and it allows you to run JavaScript on the server. As an asynchronous event-driven JavaScript runtime, Node.js is designed to build scalable network applications. However, to make your application available on the web, you will need an internet-accessible server. And that's where Heroku comes in. According to its site, Heroku is a cloud platform that lets companies build, deliver, monitor and scale apps. Being the fastest way to go from idea to URL, bypassing all those infrastructure headaches. But first we would like to ask you to leave your like, to encourage us to produce more videos like this. And, if it is possible, subscribe to the channel. The first step is to install Node.js and Npm. Go to the URL shown, to install the latest version for your operating system. Latest version of Node.js, also includes Npm. Npm or Node Package Manager is a software package manager and installer. It is the world's largest software registry. The registry contains over 800,000 code packages. Open-source developers use Npm to share software. Many organizations also use Npm to manage private development. Npm includes a CLI command line interface that can be used to download and install software. You also need the Express package. Express is a minimal and flexible Node.js web application framework that provides a robust set of features for web and mobile applications. It makes it easy to build HTTP servers. This package will be installed in the application directory after the application is created. This step will be shown later. You also need to install Git and Heroku command line tool. Access the links shown for installation instructions for these tools. Create a directory for the application and initialize the application with the commands shown. The application name is just a suggestion. Note the installation of the Express package. In the application directory, create an index.js file, with the following content. The application reads a query parameter to display a custom hello for a name. Change the package.json file as shown, paying special attention to the script and engine attributes. Run the above commands to create a Git repository. Use the above commands to log in to your Heroku account and to deploy the application. If you have not yet created a Heroku account, you will be prompted to do so. The URL above is an example of a site call. So we come to the end of the tutorial. Thanks for watching and I hope it was helpful. Leave your like if you enjoyed. Please, subscribe if you want to watch more videos like this.